Hello there! Thanks for coming back to our channel. Subscribe to get awesome training videos to help you sell more. Let's dive into the often overlooked but crucial step in the sales process, the meet and greet. First impressions are everything, and the meet and greet is your chance to make a great one. From our appearance to our body language, every aspect matters. It's important to be dressed professionally, have a clear mind, and be aware of our speech patterns and eye contact. The objective of the meet and greet is to smoothly transition into the next step, which is the need analysis or qualifying. This step is crucial for building rapport with the customer and gathering the information needed to select the right vehicle for them. When customers arrive at the dealership, they may have fears, preconceived opinions, or negative past experiences. As salespeople, we need to understand the customer's mental state and be prepared to make a great first impression. We also have our own fears and pressures, but preparation is the key to overcoming them. It's easy to get stuck in never-ending price negotiations, but we must train and handle objections effectively to reach the next step. The meet and greet is not about selling a car, it's about transitioning smoothly to the next step. Some salespeople may complain about customers who just come to kick tires or waste time, but with proper preparation and understanding of the meet and greet step, we can handle these situations and move forward in the sales process. To master every step of the sales process, we need to train and prepare daily. This will increase our chances of success and help us reach the finish line more often. In conclusion, the meet and greet step is crucial and deserves our attention and preparation for a successful outcome. As we come to the end of our discussion about the meet and greet step, it's important to remember that this step sets the tone for the entire sales process. A successful meet and greet can lead to a positive and productive experience for both the customer and the salesperson. So let's make the most of this opportunity and put our best foot forward. With proper preparation, a clear mind, and a positive attitude, we can make a great first impression and move forward towards a successful sale. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope that this video has helped you understand the importance of the meet and greet step. We wish you all the best in your sales endeavors, and remember to always prioritize preparation and training for success. Don't forget to subscribe and see more videos to help you get to your goals. See you in the next one.